How to lock mouse when looking around in Roblox. First things first, this glitch will be working if we will be pulling up or accessing any game experience in Roblox. Now launch your Roblox software or the Roblox client and then make sure that you're fully logged into your account. Once you're logged in, all you have to do is go ahead and choose any experience where you would like to do this glitch. Now I'm going to be trying this out into a farm offline. So say for example you would like the specific in place. So what you want to do from here is just simply unplug your USB drive from your PC or laptop and then just plug it back in. So that is how you lock your mouse looking around in Roblox.